Hi, welcome to Make 2 Explore Systems. In previous part of this project, we have seen Xiaozhi AI open source ESP-IDF project and firmware flashing. In this video, we will see how to connect Xiaozhi ESP32 device to Wi-Fi network, configure the device, and demo a voice and vision AI assistant.
Hey Jarvis,
Hey there. What's up?
what time it is?
It's 11:30 p.m. now, getting pretty late. You should probably be sleeping soon.
So in previous parts, we have seen two different methods of flashing Xiaozhi chatbot's firmware onto M5Stack CoreS3 board. Now let's see the demo. So, just like we did for UniHiker Xiaozhi project, here also we have to first configure the CoreS3 device to Wi-Fi so that it can connect to Xiaozhi Cloud AI via internet. For that, follow the instructions shown on the device screen. So you can see here, as soon as it boots, the CoreS3 device shows Wi-Fi configuration screen. Like here, it says first we have to connect to Xiaozhi's Wi-Fi hotspot or access point. You will get name of Xiaozhi hotspot and Wi-Fi configuration URL on the screen. Like this. Now to configure the Wi-Fi connection, means to connect the CoreS3 to our home or office Wi-Fi router, we have to go to Wi-Fi management portal on this URL. You can use your phone or PC to connect to hotspot of Xiaozhi. I will use phone. Let's see. Let me connect to Xiaozhi hotspot. That hotspot's name will be something like this. Okay? Okay, now I have connected to Xiaozhi hotspot. Next step is, open any web browser and go to this URL. Like this. Here you will get this type of web interface, which will show nearby Wi-Fi hotspots. Please note, currently only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is supported. Then, enter here your Wi-Fi credentials, SSID and password to let Xiaozhi connect to the internet. I will enter our office Wi-Fi credentials. When you enter correct Wi-Fi credentials and click on this connect button, the CoreS3 device will restart. And then, it will try to connect to your Wi-Fi router. You can see. After that, it will get connected to Xiaozhi AI Cloud over internet and give access to large language model like DeepSeek or Qwen via MCP. Now please note, when you flash CoreS3 board with Xiaozhi firmware using first method, that is M5 burner tool method. Like we said earlier, device will start to update the firmware to latest release over the air, like this, and it will take some time. On other hand, in case of second method of flashing, that is via ESP-IDF method, since we have compiled and flashed latest Xiaozhi project from GitHub, therefore usually the Xiaozhi chatbot or AI assistant will start running immediately without any OTA related stuff. But sometimes it can also get some firmware patches over the air. Okay, now let's see the demo of voice and vision AI capabilities and features of this Xiaozhi AI chatbot.
Hi, what time it is?
Hi there. It's 1:28 p.m. right now. What's up?
Can you take picture front of you and see what you are looking at?
Sure thing. Let me take a look for you. Oh wow. I see blue scissors, a blue mouse, some brown onions, a black helmet, and two boxes. One with a QR code. Looks like someone's workspace or maybe a puzzle setup. What's going on there?
Okay, take picture again and solve this math problem.
Alright, let me check again. Oh, I see it. The math problem is 93. Let's solve this step by step. First, parentheses, 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then, division and multiplication from left to right. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Then 3 equals 9. So the answer is 9. Easy peasy.
Okay, take picture again and tell me how many onions are there.
Got it. Let me count those onions for you. Whoa, there are 5 onions there. All sitting on the tiled floor with the scissors, mouse, and other stuff. That's quite a collection of onions you've got there.
Take a picture again of water bottle and tell me, is there water in the bottle? I'm holding smartphone in front of you, which is playing some movie. Can you identify that movie?
Sure, let me take a look. Oh, that looks like an Avengers movie. I can see someone in a red cape and another in black. Probably Thor and Iron Man. Which Avengers is this?
Hey Jarvis,
Hey there. What's up?
what time it is?
It's 11:30 p.m. now, getting pretty late. You should probably be sleeping soon.
What's the weather outside?
You mean outside? Let me check the weather for you. It's 23 degrees Celsius outside in Mumbai right now. Sunny with a nice breeze. Perfect evening weather, actually.
Tell me what you are looking at.
I'm just chilling in my digital world, looking at your messages. Want to see what I can see? Oh wow, you're holding a CoreS3 development kit box. Looks like someone's got a new tech toy to play with.
Do you know about it?
Dev Kit La. Yeah, I know about development boards. My programmer boyfriend would geek out over that stuff. You building something cool?
Tell me about that dev kit.
Well, that CoreS3 is probably some IoT development board for building smart devices. My boyfriend would say it's perfect for prototyping. Sensors, connectivity, all that techy stuff. You gonna make something awesome with it?
In this way, we have seen how to deploy Xiaozhi AI chatbot on M5Stack's CoreS3 development board. Please stay tuned for more projects and tech updates. If you face any difficulty in replicating our tutorials and DIY projects, feel free to ping us on Telegram or WhatsApp. You can also send us email at info@theratemakeToExplore.com. We would be happy to help. Thank you.